This is Jasmine from Cats Me Wild Designs. Today I have a very special video to share with you, and we are going to be talking about Wondershare Filmora 11. Let me tell you, when I first started using Filmora X last year, I thought that the program could not get any better because it was perfect as it is. Boy, was I wrong. There are so many new awesome features that it just So today I'm going to walk you through some of the new great features of Filmora 11. Let's jump right in. One of my favorite new features is the major upgrade to the stock media. They have partnered with Giphy, Unsplash, and Pixabay, and this adds over 1 million commercial videos and photos that you can use completely free. Gone are the days of spending hours on end searching the internet trying to find that last minute perfect piece for your project. Now it's as easy as using the search box and dragging and dropping it onto your timeline. So to access the stock media, you want to go up here to stock media, and from there you can go through whichever one you specifically want to look through. For Pixabay, then you can either select videos or photos, and then you can type in what you're looking for. So for example, if you are wanting to do like a winter snow, then you can type in snow and hit enter, and you have all of these videos. Another awesome feature is that they tell you what the resolution is for each video. So depending on if you want to do like a 4K video, then you want to select those obviously, or the standard 1080p. But the same goes for all of these. Everybody loves GIFs, so you can add some of these awesome ones to your projects. Another new great feature of Filmora 11 is speed ramping. This feature is a must-have when you're doing tutorials. Do you ever want to slowly speed up the process without making it too obvious? Then this is something that you have to try. It comes with 6 different presets, but best of all, you can customize these templates and even make your own in just a matter of seconds. So to see the speed ramping, I went ahead and grabbed this footage from an old tutorial. And so you just take and drag your video down to the timeline. I'm just going to just cut it here because we don't need the whole 5 minutes of this. So then you can do one of two things. You can either right click and go to speed and speed ramping, or you can double click on it, go to speed, and then you will either have uniform speed or you can click on speed ramping. Here are the 6 different presets that you can do. And I'm just going to select the flash out, and this will make it go faster as the video goes along. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and then let's watch. Okay, so I have slid the mat into the little grooves, and I'm just going to press this blinking button here. That's going to load our mat. Then, now that everything's good to go on the computer, we're just going to hit the cricket button, and we're going to watch it cut. Now, obviously, if you do a video like this, you want to remove the audio. That makes it really obvious, and do a voiceover. There are even 2 new plugins that will help get the cinema grade look effortlessly. The first one is Boris FX. This company has worked with some of the big Hollywood names that we know and love. The other is called New Blue, and it is known for their Titler Pro, which has awesome 3D text effects as well as subtitles. If futuristic, high-tech, and sci-fi videos are your thing, you definitely want to check out these two plugins. Two of the great plugins can be found under Effects. And here we see the Boris FX and the new Blue FX. So if we go under the Boris FX, we have different art looks, watercolor, spray paint noise, the tile mosaic, pencil sketch. If we want to do image restoration, then we have the lens corrector down here, and all of these awesome features, even blur and stylize. Under the new Blue FX, we have more stylizing elements that we can look through, even including a charcoal, impressionist, neon lights is really fun, especially if you're doing maybe a music video or something. But they also have that Titler Pro that I just mentioned a moment ago. Another awesome thing is they have these new Blue Essentials, which help with color correcting and making sure that your video looks awesome, in addition to some more creative filters. Have you ever been on a deadline and needed to finish a video at home? Or maybe you're collaborating with somebody else and you don't want to have to send all of the video files their way? Well, it's no problem with the new cloud feature in Filmora 11. So once you are here in Wondershare Filmora home screen, then you will see the list of videos right there. Over on the right hand side, there will be a cloud with an arrow pointed up. You want to click on that to upload it to the cloud backup. When it's done, you will see a check mark in the cloud, and you can go over to the cloud backup tab and you'll see it listed there. In order to share it, click on the share button, and you will see this screen that allows you to share it with or without a password, and you can adjust the period that the link will be valid for. When you're ready, click Create Link. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I record a video, I'll also record the audio on a separate device just so that I can make sure that the audio is crystal clear. The problem becomes when I want to use that audio, and no matter what I seem to do, I cannot get the audio perfectly synced with the video. Well, Filmora 11 has an answer to that problem. They have a auto synchronization feature that by selecting a video file and an audio file, it will automatically sync these two pieces together within just a couple of minutes. Okay, so here I have another clip from one of my past videos, and I have this audio. But as you can see, I'm having a hard time. I don't really know where it goes, and I'm going to be honest, I don't have a whole bunch of time to do a play-by-play of every frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag and highlight both of these boxes, right-click, and then click Auto Synchronization. And now we can play it. These just scratch the surface of all of the new features. As a reminder, you can find the download link for Filmora, that's right down in the description box below. If you would like to see more videos on video editing or other crafting videos, then go ahead and give this video a like to support the channel and hit the subscribe button below to be notified of all of my new videos. Until next time, bye!